materials and ingredients we need. Yes.
So we need agar agar bars, evaporated milk, condensed milk, and if you prefer to use fruits,
You can put
you can do so. We can put raisins. We are going to put raisins and some pineapple slices, pineapple tidbits.
Oh.
And look at
We
the
got
Easter molds that we have. We have bunnies.
And boy bunnies. Yeah,
Look,
those are spoons.
and we have stars also.
Yeah.
And this will become flower molds,
one circle, one big
circle
circle.
mold, and of course we use we need to use spatula to mix, and we need bowls.
Of course.
All right, 2 bars of agar agar. We need 4 cups of water, boiling water, 1 evaporated milk, and 1 condensed milk. We are using green agar agar and red agar agar. We are using 2 separate pots for them because there are 2 colors. We're using red and green Jello. So again, we need 4 cups of boiling water for 2 bars of agar agar and 1 condensed milk and 1 evaporated milk. Now it's time to break the agar agar bars into tiny small pieces.
Okay, I can do
You
this.
need the balls to break them
Okay,
in.
so let's get. Whoa!
So while we are breaking them into pieces, we will boil water. So we will put 4 cups of water here and 4 cups of water on the other pot, in the other pot. Okay, so let's break them into pieces.
Yeah. And let's break them into pieces.
So they're easier to cook when they're broken into pieces.
Oh no! I can do this.
Smaller pieces.
Okay.
And these are the red agar agar.
They're in a green and red bowl. Find one that's not squished.
There you go. We are done breaking them. It's time to put them in the boiling water.
Yeah.
4 cups water is boiling for the red, 2 bars of red agar agar.
That's
And we need to stir.
Stir it.
4 cups boiling water for the green agar agar.
Yay!
Let's stir.
I got the spoon.
Stir, stir.
Stir it up. Gentle, gentle. Make sure it doesn't go out.
Slowly stir.
Oh! I just wanted to touch the spoon. Making sure it's all in there.
Keep stirring until the pieces are dissolved.
There's only like tiny pieces in here left. Crush, 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 crush. Mix, no.
How is it going, guys?
Look, it's warm in here. Look at mine.
Okay, let the lance have a turn.
Look.
Okay, be careful. It's hot.
The baby.
Come on. Keep stirring.
Oh.
I think it's almost done.
Look at mine. It's very bubbling. It looks.
Almost all
so-
dissolved, guys.
Whoa.
Okay, guys. They're all dissolved. The agar agar is dissolved.
Yeah, look.
Dissolved. Okay, it's time to put the evaporated milk.
Oh.
Keep stirring slowly. 1 can of evaporated milk.
Okay.
Keep stirring. And 1 can of condensed milk.
Wow.
You can also use sugar if you prefer,
Yeah.
instead of condensed milk if you don't have condensed milk, but I think condensed milk is tastier, especially if you put evaporated milk. It makes it really tasty. Yummy. Alright, just keep stirring.
Just keep stirring.
Now it's time for the green agar agar, green jello, 1 can of evaporated milk.
I'll mix that. Get
So
your
green
milk.
jello.
Okay.
Keep stirring.
Stirring.
And then the
Stirring. Just keep
1 can of condensed milk.
Pour it in.
Pour it in. It looks yummy already. Keep stirring.
It's a brighter, lighter color.
And they are done. They're cooked. So it doesn't really take long to cook the agar agar jello, guys. Doesn't take long, so you don't have to turn your back around and do anything else because they don't take long to cook. See? Okay.
Let's change tray.
So you can strain using a strainer to get rid of the lumps if you prefer.
Yep. Or keep the lumps.
But you can also put them directly to the molder right away if you prefer.
If you want that.
This one is just have a very soft jello.
But if you don't want to strain it,
If you don't want to strain it,
yeah, you don't have
it's okay.
It's okay.
We like to have soft jello, so we need to strain the lumps, remove the lumps.
Remove the lumps. Remove the lumps.
You can strain it once or twice until all the lumps are gone. Look, it looks so good.
And there's some lumps still. I want to eat it fresh from the bowl.
And we have to make sure that we put in the mold, in the molders right away, guys, because they will easily form to jelly.
Okay, quickly.
Okay, it's time for the red agar agar, red jello. But because we put milk in it, now the color is pink, right? Does it look like pink now?
Yep.
Look at that, guys.
Smells
Same
so
thing,
good.
we will use strainer to get rid of the lumps.
Do-
The pink one has no lumps, too much lumps, guys.
Yeah, because
Look.
I mixed it well.
Wow, good job.
I
The
don't
other
really
one
mix the
too.
green
We did mix the green one too, but good
Oh, that was
job.
really
We only
easy.
strain once, guys. It's good
Ah,
enough. Look, we got a good strainer here.
The
Okay, it's
smell.
time to put them in the molds. Get ready. First, we remove the bubbles. We are using this measuring cup to pour them in the molds because this one has a nice spout right there.
Yep. I'm sorry for picking water. Oh, you spilled. Oh no, just keep pouring then. Oh no.
Okay, before we pour the mixture, we will put some raisins.
That's enough.
We cut the raisins into little pieces,
Even the
and also with the pineapple. You can use other fruits that you
this one
prefer.
doesn't have
We're
one.
using pineapple and raisins, and we are putting them in the bottom of the molds. And some molds we are not putting any fruits because they like Ayumi, Hailey, and Lance prefer to eat the
Just the
this is Jello. This is the pure one, and they would like to try the ones with the fruits also. There at least we are putting some vitamins in there, some flavors.
Putting this one was a lot.
Okay, let's start pouring.
Oh no, Lance.
Okay, so you pour slowly in the molder. These are gonna be a nice
And tasty.
Easter Jello.
Yeah. Anyways, it's time. It's so delicious. Yeah. I really want to eat it now. It's so satisfying. Yeah. Looks so. Oh, those are big boys. Now we're putting the green gelatin.
So we just have to be quick because they form the Jello forms fast.
Bursting for something. Recooling. Wow.
Ready. Green star molds.
Wow. Green molds. Cool. Wow. Another green star. There's 2 green stars.
So we have 2 green stars. Star Jello. There you go, guys. They're all in the molds, waiting for them to form. These smaller molds, they are already actually almost formed.
Yeah, this one. Look at this
almost
one.
settled. And those are the bunny ones.
Yeah, they look so delicious.
They look
The stars
good.
aren't done yet. Oh.
So it will take probably
1 hour?
maybe 30 minutes.
Yeah. Oh, okay. For the bunny ones?
Maybe 30 minutes to 1 hour to chill. You can eat them cold or warm or not
You just gotta
cold.
wait. Oh.
You can chill. You can leave them here, out here,
Done.
to form, or put them in the fridge to form faster, to set them faster.
Oh my god!
Looking good.
This one's done. Look. Wow, they look. It's done.
It's
What did you do?
It's better to eat them cold though. I like them cold.
Gentle.
I like the Jello colder.
Lick it off your fingers.
Here they are.
Wow.
They're ready to be eaten.
I can't eat them. Yes.
Are you ready, guys?
Yeah. And they're all jiggly and jelly.
Wow. So we left them in the fridge to chill. Now they're nice and cold. It's just really good. I like cold Jellos.
Oh.
Let's put them on the plates and bowls.
Wow.
Wow. It looks
Yeah.
so
He
beautiful.
He looks.
Let's try the others.
very cute. Okay.
Wow. So beautiful.
I named him Stuart Poofy.
Wow. Okay, let's try the bunny.
Bunny.
So we have to prick the edges so they will come off easy.
Yeah.
Okay, kids. Are you ready to flip them over to see the design? Just a moment. 3, 2, 1, flip. Let's see. Left. Slowly left.
I'm sorry for.
Wow.
One day. Yeah.
Wow. Hi, bunnies. Look at that. And this
Look
one.
at this one.
Oh, this is a little messy.
Yeah. What about
Not too
mine?
bad. This
They're
one has the
tasty, though.
fruits.
They're tasty,
Raisins
but
and pineapples.
they don't look bad. They don't have to look
And
perfect.
this. Look,
they're-
just pure Jello.
It's fine if they don't look good. Because anyways, you're going to eat it. Mine.
Next batch. 3, 2, 1, flip. Wow. Star shape.
Look at this.
Circles.
Smoothie. And more star. And another star.
Another star over there.
So wet. I can see one of the ingredients in.
Mm-hmm. Here they are.
18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
So cute.
It's so smooth too. We named him Patrick the Star.
It's time to eat. Enjoy.
It's so good and yummy. I want more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And stay tuned for more videos. Bye! Have fun making your own Jello. Bye! Bye. Happy Easter!